We are prepared to take direct legal action without involving the police at all against British citizens who have joined the IDF or who are otherwise implicated in war crimes in Gaza and the West Bank. We will announce within weeks our first private prosecution in a UK court. Last night, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu ordered the Israeli military to fully break the ceasefire in Gaza. This blatant violation of international law was met not with condemnation, but with tacit support from the United States and inaction from the UK and other Western political leaders. In this instance, their inaction is a clear indicator of complicity. These are not battlefield casualties, these are war crimes, committed in full view of the world. Is this genocide? Yes. This is genocide. It is therefore with great urgency that we announce the launch of ICJP's new initiative, Global 195. Global 195 is an unprecedented international legal coalition committed to ensuring that those responsible for grave violations of international law are brought to justice. Lawyers, legal organisations and human rights defenders from countries including Malaysia, Namibia, Turkey, Norway and Canada, Bosnia and the United Kingdom have united to use every available legal mechanism to hold accountable those suspected of war crimes in Gaza. Our mission is simple. Where international courts fail to act, we will act. When national governments refuse to investigate, we will initiate legal proceedings. Where war criminals believe they can travel freely, we will ensure they face the full weight of the law. The scope of our legal work includes not just IDF soldiers who have fought in the Israeli Defense Forces, but also those in positions of command and influence, senior policymakers, military leaders, and operational personnel who are directly or indirectly responsible for violations of international law. We will investigate and prosecute those in jurisdictions outside of Israel that have supported and been complicit in Israel's war crimes. In the UK, we have already taken significant steps to bring legal action. Last year, we submitted a criminal complaint to Scotland Yard for 5 former government ministers and officials we accuse of complicity in Israel's war crimes. This is still being considered by Scotland Yard's War Crimes Unit. This year, however, we are prepared to take direct legal action without involving the police at all against British citizens who have joined the IDF or who are otherwise implicated in war crimes in Gaza and the West Bank. We will announce within weeks our first private prosecution in a UK court, work that will be replicated across the world. The evidence compiled by ICJP's investigation team is advised by former Metropolitan Police detectives and leading legal experts, and it meets the highest criminal legal standards and is admissible in domestic courts and international courts. Israeli suspected war criminals can no longer consider any location outside of Israel to be a safe space for them. And most importantly, we send a clear message to those that believe they can escape justice. The age of impunity is over. Your actions will have devastating consequences for you. Justice is not an option, it is an obligation. Today we begin the work to ensure that obligation is met. Thank you.